Hey guys, what's going on? It's Riley here with Canadian Dividend Investing, and welcome to episode 32 of my Wealthsimple Trade Challenge, where we try to grow our portfolio to $25,000 in the first 2 years of investing. As you can see, our portfolio is up to $12,300. Today, the market's a little bit down, and the past all-time, we are up 12% or $1,317. So that's some decent returns. We're going to take advantage of some of the US stocks going down today and buy into 3 different companies today. So what we're going to start with, again, we placed about $400 into the account, and the $46 that remains there is actually from dividends that I've earned on the account. So what I'm going to do is next episode, I'll update you guys in the total dividends earned from this specific portfolio. So today we're going to buy 2 shares of VFV. As you can see, it dropped under that $100 mark, so it's perfect time to buy. So we're going to do 2 shares of this. Again, today's return is a little bit lower. Total return is about 2.8%. So hopefully that goes back up. Again, we're holding about 20% of our portfolio in this stock. So we're going to try to buy 2 shares there. Perfect. And as that goes through, we're going to invest in our next company, which is going to be, where is it here? QQCF. So this again is down on the day. It invests in the NASDAQ 100 index. Again, holding about 10% of our portfolio in this stock, and as the market is going down, again, we're a little bit down on this stock, but I have full faith that it's going to come back up as the stock market kind of bounces back. So we're going to buy 1 share of that today. Perfect. And the last stock we're going to buy is a couple shares. We'll see how much we have left here, and we'll buy a couple shares of POW, so Power Corp of Canada. So as you can see, the stock charts in the past year, the stock's a little bit down. So we're going to pick up that dip and hopefully run with that again, a healthy dividend yield of 4.87%. So let's see how many stocks or shares we can buy. 3, perfect. Okay, so let's buy 3 shares of that. And everything is complete. So hopefully all those go through. And again, just to update you guys, the portfolio is up to $12,300. So cruising very well. Again, if you guys haven't signed up for Wealthsimple Trade or Shakepay, there's links in the description. And you get a free stock, or I think it's about $30 if you sign up using my code. So have a great day, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will